Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
How many hours a day do you spend staring at a screen? Is it more than you would like? In today's world, screens have become virtually omnipresent. From the smartphones we carry in our pockets, to the computers on our desks, and the televisions in our living rooms, screens are a staple of modern life. But as we spend more and more time glued to these devices, we often overlook the potential downsides. The glow of the screen can strain our eyes, the constant connectivity can stress our minds, and the sedentary nature of screen use can affect our physical health. Not to mention, our relationships and productivity can suffer when we prioritize screen time over face-to-face interaction and focused work. Excessive screen time has become a commonality, a shared experience for many of us. But what if there was another way? Now, imagine a life where you control your screen time, not the other way around. That's what we call a digital detox. Do you remember the days before you were constantly connected? Let's take a trip down memory lane. Before the digital age, life was filled with simple pleasures and real-life experiences. There was a sense of tranquility in the air, a calmness that seems elusive in today's fast-paced, technology-driven world. Imagine a time when conversations weren't interrupted by the incessant pinging of notifications. A time when we were fully present, taking in the world around us, enjoying the company of friends and family without the distraction of screens. The quality of interpersonal relationships was profound, enriched by genuine interactions and undivided attention. On the flip side, there was also a sense of being less informed, less connected. The world didn't seem as accessible as it is now, but with this accessibility came a price, a constant barrage of information, updates, and notifications that can leave us feeling overwhelmed, distracted, and disconnected from our surroundings. With the advent of smartphones, tablets, and other digital devices, we've become hyper-connected. We're constantly plugged in, always on, leaving little room for quiet reflection or genuine connection. The simplicity of life before the digital age has been replaced by a frenzied existence where we're always chasing the next big thing, the latest update, the newest trend. The need for a digital detox is more pressing than ever. It's about reclaiming our time, our focus, and our mental well-being. It's about unplugging from the digital world and re-engaging with the real one. In essence, life before digital detox can be quite chaotic and overwhelming. What does it mean to go on a digital detox journey? Let's delve into it. A digital detox journey involves consciously reducing the time spent on digital devices, such as smartphones, computers, tablets, and even televisions. It's about setting boundaries and creating a balance between the digital world and the real world. It's about reclaiming control over your time and attention. So why should you consider embarking on this journey? Well, the benefits are numerous and can significantly improve your quality of life. By reducing screen time, you can enhance your mental well-being, increase your focus and productivity, and improve your relationships. It's about making space for offline activities that bring joy and fulfillment, like reading a book, practicing a hobby, or spending quality time with loved ones. But how do you start a digital detox journey? The first step is to acknowledge the need for change. Are you spending too much time scrolling through social media or binge-watching series? Do you feel overwhelmed by constant notifications and emails? If the answer is yes, then it's time to make a change. Next, set realistic goals. It's not about completely eliminating technology from your life, but rather using it in a way that serves you. Maybe you decide to set specific times for checking emails or social media, or perhaps you choose one day a week to be completely screen-free. However, like any journey, the road to digital detox can be challenging. You might experience withdrawal symptoms, such as restlessness or anxiety. You might feel the fear of missing out on important updates or events, and it certainly requires discipline and commitment to stick to your digital detox goals. But remember, it's okay to have setbacks. It's okay to adjust your goals. The important thing is to keep going, to keep striving for that balance. And most importantly, remember that this journey is deeply personal. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to digital detox. It's about finding what works best for you, what helps you feel more present, more connected, more alive. Remember, the journey of digital detox is a personal one, and it's all about finding what works best for you. So what does life look like after a digital detox? Let's explore. Imagine waking up to the sound of chirping birds rather than the harsh beep of an alarm on your smartphone. Your morning begins with a refreshing walk and a hearty breakfast, not a hurried scroll through emails and social media updates. In a digitally detoxed life, your mental well-being takes center stage. You're less anxious, less stressed, and more content. You're not constantly bombarded by an endless stream of information, leaving your mind clear to focus on what truly matters. Productivity soars. Without the constant interruptions of notifications and messages, you find yourself accomplishing tasks quicker and more efficiently. You're able to dive deep into your work, fostering creativity and innovation. Relationships flourish. You engage more with people, not screens. Conversations are meaningful and connections are profound. You're present in every interaction, making loved ones feel cherished and appreciated. Offline activities become a source of joy. You rediscover hobbies that were once buried under digital clutter. Perhaps you find solace in reading a physical book, or excitement in a game of chess. Or maybe the simple act of watching the sunset brings you immense peace. In this new life, you appreciate the world around you more. You're not just living, you're experiencing. You're not just seeing, you're observing. You're not just hearing, you're listening. In short, life after digital detox can be more balanced, fulfilling, and mindful. So, what can we take away from our discussion on digital detox? First and foremost, it's clear that in this tech-driven era, finding a balance between screen time and real-life experiences is crucial. We've explored how excessive screen time can impact our mental well-being, focus, productivity, and even our relationships. We've also delved into the concept of digital detox, highlighting its significance in our lives. We've seen how taking deliberate breaks from our digital devices can lead to improved mental clarity and a renewed appreciation for the world around us. Our personal stories have shown that unplugging and engaging in offline activities, such as reading, hobbies, or spending time with friends and family, can be truly rewarding. Remember, the challenge lies not in completely removing digital devices from our lives, but in finding a balance where technology serves us, instead of us serving technology. The journey of digital detox is not about completely abandoning technology, but about finding a healthy balance that enhances our quality of life.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, digital detox, balancing screen time and real life at an intermediate level. Screen time. Screen time, the amount of time spent using devices with screens such as smartphones, computers, and televisions. Example, reducing screen time can significantly improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Unplug. Unplug, to disconnect from digital devices and online activities temporarily. Example, I make it a point to unplug every evening, spending that time with my family instead of on my phone. Mindfulness. Mindfulness, the practice of being aware and present in the moment, often used as a technique to reduce stress. Example, practicing mindfulness can help manage the urge to constantly check social media, promoting a healthier balance with technology. Quality time. Quality time, time spent in meaningful interaction with friends or family, often with full attention and engagement. Example, allocating quality time with loved ones without the distraction of devices strengthens relationships. Well-being. Well-being, the state of being comfortable, healthy, or happy. Example, balancing screen time with real-life activities is crucial for maintaining mental and physical well-being.
Thank you for watching. Write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Goodbye.